Hi, everybody. Welcome to another Partner Showcase series here at Voler Systems. My name is Miguel Adao. I'm the SVP of Sales and Marketing. And today I'm delighted to be here with my friend Andrew de la Torre. Andrew, hi, welcome. Introduce yourself.
Thank you so much, Miguel. Hi, everybody. My name is Andrew de la Torre. I'm a manufacturing engineer with Applied Engineering. Applied Engineering is a contract manufacturer out in San Jose. We serve a variety of different industries, which range from energy, semiconductor, medical devices, aerospace, and even robotics.
Very cool. And what makes you guys unique? What's your unique sauce, secret sauce?
Really unique is that we focus a lot of our effort on new product introduction. So anytime we have a customer, whether they're new or existing, they come to us with a product and they just want to know, can you make this, right? We put that product into our NPI process, which is the time where we fully immerse ourselves in that product, right? We go through all the documentation, we go through the quality requirements for that product, and we just want to make sure that everything is captured. And this is where my role starts to come in, right? So I go through the documentation, identify those gaps, and I relay that information back to the customer and say, maybe we should add some more details on this drawing, right? Or maybe this assembly drawing might benefit from a work instruction, or we might include a little bit more quality requirements to make the product a little bit more manufacturable in the future. So it's a huge collaborative effort on the customer side, but also we get our suppliers involved because they're the experts when it comes to welding, all those other skilled trades. And they provide us with great feedback in terms of, can this product can it even be made, right? So
Right.
it's a collaborative effort in every which way. So it's really great.
I love it. And can you just tell us maybe an example or two of some recent customer experiences and engagements you've had in your team?
A recent customer of ours, they had a very complex system. Pretty much lasers involved, pneumatics, everything, really intense electrical configuration and all that. So as we're in the manufacturing process, the assembler came to me and notified me that there are some gaps in the electrical schematic. And, instead of us just stopping production, we are kind of reviewing the system, trying to understand what the customer is trying to do. I get the customer on the phone and we try to find the best solution we can, right? So we're going through step by step. I'm redlining everything I possibly can. And, at the end of the day, the customer gets a full working system. And then on top of that, I'm sending them our red lines so that they can update their documentation on their side. So in a sense, it saves them a lot of time. It gets the product even more to a closer state of design for manufacturing. And so the customer was very satisfied at the end of the day because, we took that extra step in making sure that they were getting what they asked for.
I know that Applied Engineering and Voler Systems have known each other for a long time. Your president, Jack Yao, who I've met, and our president, my boss, Walt McClay, they've known each other for years as well. And so just last question for our brief video today, Andrew. Can you just spend a couple minutes talking about this partnership between Voler and Applied, how we can complement each other and together help our joint customers?
So I understand Voler Systems is more on the front end approach, right? In regards to this whole manufacturing process. So you all are working with the customers to figure out a design, trying to assess their needs and making sure you're coming up with a design that is exactly what they want. So the next step for that usually is taking it to a contract manufacturer to get it up and running, start producing as many as we can. So that partnership really comes in when at that initial stage, right? That NPI process that I was talking about. You would be our customer and we collaborate with you. We tell you, we give you feedback. and we really try to take the product to the next step and making sure it's manufacturable. And ultimately, that partnership is what makes the product successful at the end of the day. So, yeah, and there's a huge overlap in the industries that we market. So, yeah, it's very impactful for sure.
It's a great collaboration, and I appreciate your time this morning, Andrew, in a cold, chilly, but beautiful, sunny San Diego morning. Yeah, so that's our video for today, folks. And indeed, most of you already know about Voler Systems. So we are here to help you with your schematics, your architecture of your device, whether it's medical devices or wearables or IoT devices. So we can help with the proof of concept, the MVP, the prototyping. And indeed, this is where we lean on partners like Applied Engineering to then take the ideation and the creation of that prototype and that device to manufacturing. So thanks once again for watching our Partner Showcase Series episode, and stay tuned for the next one. Thanks, Andrew.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.